Please help me welcome my old friend, Walter. Shut the hell up! Walter, you happy to be here? Oh, overjoyed! Last week I was lying on a beach in Maui and I couldn't decide, gee, should I stay in Hawaii or go to frickin' Santa Ana? My God, I can die happy now. Fine city, I don't give a damn. What's wrong with you? I don't know, it's hot as hell outside. My skin's all dry and itchy. You put me in a sweater. Sure as hell not gonna ask you for lotion. You know, you don't have to do this. Yeah, I could get a real job. What would you do? I want to be a greeter at Walmart. What the hell's so funny? At Walmart, what would be your opening line? Oh, welcome to Walmart. Get your shit and get out. Have a nice day. Anything else wrong? I don't know. My wife and I couldn't find any place to park anywhere near this stinking joint. And some jerk pulled up in a brand new Mercedes, goes right in the handicapped spot. He got out of the car and there's nothing wrong with him. Don't you hate that? So I ran his ass over. I made an honest man out of him. And his mother got out the other side, started swinging her crutches at me. Took her out with the door. Don't you feel kind of bad? Oh, hell, they can carpool. Good thing the police didn't see you. I ain't afraid of the cops around Santa Ana. You seen some of these guys? What, cops on bicycles? What's wrong with that? How intimidating is this? All right, buddy, pull it over. Ching, ching, ching. What are they doing? They arrest somebody. All right, in the basket.
Yes, ladies, I wrote that joke.
Yeah, you can tell the rookie cops, they got playing cards in their spokes. Halt! So your wife's in town? Oh, yeah. She having a good time? She always has a good time. Good. Pisses me off. She's a lovely lady. She's getting old. Well, women age like fine wine. She's aging like milk.
No!
Did you guys get another argument this morning? Yeah, what happened? I don't know. She rolled out of bed, jumped on her menstrual cycle, and ran my ass over. Never heard it put quite that way before. Oh, it even has a sound. It goes nag, 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 bitch, bitch, bitch. How long have you been married? What is it now? 46 years. What was the happiest moment of your life? 47 years ago. How long you been married? 15 years. You'll see. I'll see what? Remember when you said, till death do us part? Yeah. Later, you'll realize you're actually setting a goal. Walter, what exactly is marriage to you? It's like drinking a Slurpee. First couple of sips, like, boy, it's really good. I'm glad I did this. And you keep drinking, it goes right to your head, and you go, ow, ow, ow. The hell was I thinking? Someone kill me, please. It eventually stops hurting. Yeah, then you're stupid enough to take another frickin' sip. Ain't the same anymore, is it? What, being married all these years? What, you can't look at other women now? You can't talk to them? You can't do nothing. What are you talking about? I'll show you what I'm talking about. See this lovely young lady sitting right here in the front row? Yeah? This gorgeous young thing. Yeah? Do you see her? Yeah? Do you see her? Yeah. Oh, well. Only thing you can do now is run to the end of your chain and bark. It's kind of like buying a new car. You know when you see that car on the showroom floor just before you take it home? Yeah, that's as good as it's ever going to look. Pretty soon it'll have dents and scratches, parts start to go bad, then the new models come out and you're like, oh. Honey, can I just sit in it? No, remember. Sorry to hear that. Want to hear what I do? No. All right, you talked me into it. Now, wait a minute. Now, be careful. These are going to be kind of pornographic. Get off. I can't see the Weather Channel. Get the hell off.
Oh, now that's funny. Wait, no, it's not.
You know what oral sex for us is? What, she screamed, screw you, and I yelled, bite me.